Hello everyone, let's look into a very good set of logical reasoning. In an 8x8 chessboard, a queen placed anywhere can attack another piece if the piece is present in the same row or in the same column or in any diagonal position in any possible 4 directions, provided there is no other piece in between the path from queen to that piece. The columns are labeled A to H from left to right and the rows are numbered 1 to 8 from bottom to top. The position of a piece is given by the combination of column and row labels. For example, position C5 means that the piece is in 6th column and the 5th row. So we have drawn the chessboard and numbered the rows and columns. We have also placed the queen at position C5. So according to the rules, the queen can attack all the pieces to its top, to its right, to its bottom and to its left. It can also attack all the pieces on the diagonals. So it can attack all the pieces lying on the diagonals. But there must be no piece between the queen and the target piece. So now we have all the information and the rules. So let's solve some few questions on this set. So the first question is, if the queen is at C5 and the other pieces at position C2, G1, G3, G5 and A3, then how many are under attack by the queen? There are no other pieces on the board. So we have already placed the queen and all the pieces at their positions. So let's see how many pieces the queen can attack. So the queen can attack P4, it can attack P2, it can attack P1 and it can also attack P5. So from the position C5, the queen can attack 4 pieces. Hence the correct answer will be 4. Let's go to the next question. If the other pieces are only at positions A1, A3, B4, D7, H7 and H8, then which of the following positions of the queen results in maximum number of pieces being under attack? So we have already placed the pieces and the queen at their respective positions. Now let's check which position of the queen results in maximum number of attacks. So from the first option F8, the queen can attack P6 and P3. From the position A7, it can attack P4 and P2. From C1, it can attack P1 and P2. From the last D3 position, it can attack P5, P4 and P2. So D3 is the position from where the queen can attack maximum number of pieces. Hence that will be the correct answer. Let's solve the next question. If the other pieces are only at positions A1, A3, B4, D7, H7 and H8, then from how many positions queen cannot attack any of the pieces? Now we know that the queen can attack any position to its left, right, top and bottom. So first of all, cancel out all the rows and columns that have a piece. Because if we place the queen anywhere on that row or column, it will directly attack the pieces. Apart from this, we must also cancel all the diagonals that have a piece. So let's cancel the rows, column and diagonals. So first of all, this row is cancelled, then this column, then this row, then this column, then this column, then this row, then this row, then this column, then this. Now we have cancelled all the rows and columns. So let's cancel the diagonals now. So this diagonal must be cancelled. This one, this diagonal, all the position in this diagonal also. So this is the first place which is left from where the queen cannot make any attack. Because if you draw the arrows from this position to the top, to left, right, bottom or anywhere to the diagonals, you won't notice that any of the piece is getting attacked. Similarly, other positions that are left are this position, and the last one is this position. So these are the 4 positions where we can place the queen so that it cannot make any attack. Now let's go to the last question. Suppose the queen is the only piece on the board and it is at position D5. In how many positions can other pieces be placed on the board such that it is safe from attack from the queen? So this question is very simple. We have to cancel all the positions where the queen can attack from D5. So it can attack in this way, to this way, in this direction, this direction, this direction, this direction, this and finally this direction. So So all the positions that remain uncancelled will be the answer to this question. So there are total 8 into 8, that means 64 pieces on the chessboard, and from these 64 we have to deduct the number of cells or positions that can be attacked from d5, which will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27, and this position 28. So there are 28 such positions that can be attacked from d5. So the remaining positions which will be safe from attack by the queen will be 64 minus 28, that is equals to 36. So 36 will be the correct answer. So I hope you have understood this set. This was a set based upon simple observations. We'll be coming with more interesting sets in the upcoming videos. Thank you.